Welcome guys to your very favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. Ritesh Deshmukh, Sara Jane Diaz, Neha Sharma and director Sachin Yardi launched the first look of their film Kya Super Cool Hai Hum.
रितेश, आपकी और तुषार की किन बातों पर बहुत फख्र होता है?
कि हम दोनों इकट्ठा आते हैं और एक फनी सीन बहुत अच्छी तरह कर पाते हैं या करने की कोशिश करते हैं. इसी बात पर हम दोनों को एक दूसरे पे बहुत फख्र है.
Are you trying to use sex as a marketing tool?
We're not having sex in the movie.
The double meaning, whatever you would call it. It's a sex comedy, right?
Sex means sex.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no double meaning to the word sex.
Akshay Kumar entertained one and all on the sets of Dance India Dance Season 3.
Rowdy Rathod क्या है इसकी कहानी तो बहुत 2.5 घंटे लग जाएंगे बताने में. बस यही कह सकता हूँ, राउडी राठौड़ एक एक्शन फिल्म है, एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, हंसने वाली फिल्म है. नाम सुनते ही पिछवाड़े में भूकंप आ गया.
हाँ सही बात है. वैसे म्यूट क्यों किया? सबके पास है.
सबके पास है. बोलते भी हैं लोग, such a cute bum he has.
I cannot talk about Pichwada. And if you really insist me to talk about Pichwada.
Sir, can you talk about Iguana then?
Then you have to come to Yardwada.
Abhay Deol and Imran Hashmi joked about their so-called rivalry at the first look launch of their film Shanghai.
Shanghai is also about these three characters and how they get to the bottom of this mystery of how can we become Shanghai, how can our city become Shanghai.
There is that slight accent of Jogi Parmar. He shoots porn films. Yeah, that had to come. That was expected from me. After
started off with actually.
I was like, Diwakar, wow, this is a really different character. And so he said, oh, he shoots porn films after the vlog. I was like, okay, that sounds familiar.
Shalini is young, passionate, and very, very angry. So it was very easy for me to play all that.
I actually cut most of his role in the film. I did because Diwakar is that
I'm going
easy.
to the editing room after this.
Yeah. And I've been taking Krav Maga classes. What have you been learning?
That's a secret. That's Diwakar, my secret. I have more lines than you in the film.
Oh!
Subhash Ghai spoke to the media about the Whistling Woods international controversy.
First, I'd like to begin by saying that Whistling Woods International has my unstinted support, and I am with you.
It's all subject to the resolution or the solution. Depends on the government. We'll meet them. We'll find out what is the solution. But I can always tell you one thing कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हम जा सकते हैं, लेकिन Whistling Woods तो हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा. इसे institutions Whistling Woods हमेशा रहेगा.
Over to your favorite itsy bitsy interviews. Saswata Chatterjee, that is Bob Biswas of Kahani, gives an interesting analysis on his character.
Somebody called up from Radio Mirchi, Mumbai. So she told me, we just love Bob Biswas. How can you love a contract killer? Then the woman replied, you know, I personally like people with darker shades.
Hate Story director Vivek Agnihotri aggressively defends the bold sexual content of his film.
Titillation is the only thing this film doesn't do.
Acha, why do you say that?
Every other film is titillating. Okay, all Sheila Ki Jawani and Anarkali and these are all titillating songs, showing some bra, showing some cleavage. In our film, we never showed cleavage. My heroine is dressed top to bottom, right?
But we are showing a bare back. In fact,
because that's her character. That's what she is. And bareback, you have never seen before. Didn't you see it in Qurban? How come that did not titillate you and this is titillating you? It's the body language.
Hate Story actress Pauli Dam gets into a candid conversation.
It's a thin line, you know, it's a marginal line. Like sexy, though everybody can be, but sensuous is something, it's emotion. It's something that from within that comes out very spontaneously. So anybody can look sexy, but everybody doesn't look sensuous.
So what is this? Is sensuous or sexy?
I shouldn't say, you should say. Everybody should say.
No, I think I'm trying to get your opinion. I think this is hot.
I think it represents power.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our latest segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.